Okay, so what is Vertice? Vertice is a spend optimization platform. We focus on two areas, SaaS and public cloud. So let me get straight to it. In terms of, just to give you a feel for the size of our business, we currently basically optimize something like $2.8 billion of spend, which we have under management, both in SaaS software spend and cloud. We grew at about 7x last year in double-digit millions of ARR, and we've raised $51 million from both Bessemer and 83North in 2 rounds. So the markets that we're focusing on are both the SaaS market and the cloud market. SaaS is about a $200 billion market, which is growing at about 10%. And the key kind of idea there is that most companies are overpaying for their SaaS. There's very limited price transparency between what one company is paying to what another company is paying. There's a lot of wastage, and there's a lot of burnt cycles in these sort of constant renewals of all of your SaaS tools. And that's a market that we believe we can help with. And on the other hand, we've got the public cloud market, so dominated by AWS, Azure, and others. Again, a very, very large market, $330 billion market, which is growing even faster. And in that market, we believe that a lot of that spend is wasted. And that's what we believe we can help with. Most of our customers are fast-growing companies that we try and extend their runway, save them a lot of time and effort, and actually save them on their OpEx. How do we do that? We provide for the SaaS market, SaaS spend management, which provides visibility and control, allowing each customer to know exactly what's going on within their spend, mostly run out of the finance team or the procurement team. All of it is backed with benchmarked insights. It's very important for you to be able to benchmark yourself against peer groups and to know exactly what other people are spending on these software tools. And all of it is then backed by some expert buying services which allow us to really get the best possible terms for our customers. What I would say, like just stepping back, is that we have a comparative advantage based on the fact that we do this every day. We have expert buying books, we have benchmark data, and that's why we're able to do a better job than regular companies when it comes to SaaS purchasing. I won't go into this in too much detail, but everything is backed with, that's all right, Marco, you feel free, come in and join the crowd. So everything is backed by a lot of data, and that's where we're able then to really be able to deliver the benefits to our customers. Most notably with the pricing database, which we have, gives us very detailed input into exactly what pricing should be for every size customer. I won't go into this in too much detail. We give a lot of visibility to our customers so they can track every single contract, when it's renewing, how much it's being used, what they're spending on it, what they spent on it last year, who the procurement buyers are, what the comments are, how it's every single piece of information you might want to know about one of these tools. We then obviously deliver those negotiations, discover new SaaS that you might have within your network that you didn't even know, and streamline the whole thing for you, delivering you basically time savings and cash savings. These are some of the customers that we've had. It's absolutely amazing what actual savings we can deliver for customers. I'm astounded myself every day when I see them coming in, 50% savings on gigantic contracts. In terms of our competition, we rank higher than them. I won't go into details, but in terms of market research, we believe that the way to win in this market is to out-execute our competitors, to provide the very best service, the very best information, and to remain independent so that we work on behalf of our customers as opposed to being in the pockets of the vendors. In terms of moving on from SaaS, the other kind of element that we do is cloud. So a lot of our customers said to us, look, we spend a lot of money on software, but actually we spend even more on AWS. We have no idea what the bill's going to be next month. Perhaps we're deploying more instances. We have no idea if it's going to go up, if it's going to go down, how much it's being used, what the cloud engineering team is doing. So we took some of our expertise, which we had from previous businesses, and thought we could bring that to bear and really provide some optimization for all of our customers' public cloud. The way we do that is with a product which we call Cloud Cost Optimization. Again, you've got to start with some visibility. What is actually going on in my cloud? How many instances have I got? Which regions? How much throughput is there? How much storage? How many RIs am I buying? And once you have that level of visibility, you can then start to begin that optimization, which we do through about 100 different continuous optimization tests. And then we have some algorithmic sort of buying of reserved instances. Some of you will be familiar with those. So all in all, what that delivers is visibility into your public cloud spend and eliminates wastage. I think Vertice as a business is in a very unique place. We decided specifically that we weren't going to shy away from going into more complex markets and positioning ourselves at the intersection of, we think, three very, very important markets: the SaaS and cloud that I've discussed, and our new product, which is in the procurement workflows orchestration space. We think that kind of intersection there positions us in a very strong place to support our customers on their journey and on their growth. In terms of how we sell, we do a demo. We pull some of your spend data so that we can analyze it on your behalf, and then we guarantee the results. So if you're paying us X, we'll guarantee to save you 3X. Generally, that works well with most of our customers. They kind of like that you put your money where your mouth is, and that's helped to deliver us quite a fast sort of revenue growth, as I said, 7X last year. In terms of, I know some of the investors in the room will be interested in these kind of things. Our pipeline's growing. We've proven our outbound engine. We're adding more and more customers all the time. And I think in terms of metrics versus competitors, we have a top-tier sales health. I won't go into that in too much detail. The last thing I would say is that we feel extremely bullish about where the product suite can go. We've talked already about the first two markets. We believe that these three areas for us allows us to really grow with our customer base, provide them exactly the tools that they need for their continued growth, and take this big management headache that they have of wasted spend, inefficiency, but most importantly, time. They're consistently sort of burning cycles on managing and observing and coordinating their public cloud and SaaS spend, and we take that burden away from them. So very excited about the future. I've got about 14 seconds left. Thank you very much. Feel free to reach out. Thank you.